Hey everyone, welcome back to How To. Today we're tackling a common dilemma: how to manage your time effectively when shopping with your boyfriend. Whether you're hitting the mall or browsing online, these 10 steps will help you make the most out of your shopping trip together. Let's dive in. Plan ahead. Before you head out, discuss your shopping goals with your boyfriend. Make a list of items you need to buy and set a budget. Planning ahead will help streamline your shopping experience and prevent aimless wandering. Set time limits. Agree on a designated time frame for your shopping trip. This will help you stay focused and avoid spending too much time in one store. Setting time limits encourages efficiency and prevents shopping fatigue. Divide and conquer. Divide your shopping list into tasks and assign each task to either you or your boyfriend. This way, you can cover more ground in less time. Divide and conquer strategy helps maximize efficiency and minimizes backtracking. Prioritize must-haves. Identify the items on your list that are a priority and tackle them first. This ensures that you address your essential needs before getting sidetracked by impulse buys or distractions. Use technology. Leverage technology to your advantage by using shopping apps, online wish lists, or virtual shopping carts. This allows you to compare prices, read reviews, and make informed decisions quickly. Stick to a schedule. Plan your shopping trip during less crowded times to avoid long lines and wait times. Sticking to a schedule helps you make the most of your time and minimizes unnecessary delays. Take breaks strategically. Schedule short breaks throughout your shopping trip to rest and recharge. Use this time to grab a snack or drink, refuel, and discuss your progress. Strategic breaks prevent burnout and keep you motivated. Be decisive. Avoid spending too much time deliberating over every purchase. Trust your instincts, make decisions quickly, and move on to the next item on your list. Being decisive helps you stay on track and stick to your time limit. Avoid distractions, stay focused on your shopping goals, and avoid getting sidetracked by unnecessary distractions. Limit your time browsing unrelated items and stay on task to maximize your efficiency. Review and reflect. At the end of your shopping trip, take a moment to review your purchases and reflect on your experience. Did you stick to your budget? Were you able to find everything you needed? Use this feedback to improve your future shopping trips with your boyfriend. And there you have it. 10 steps to efficiently manage your time when shopping with your boyfriend. By planning ahead, setting time limits, dividing tasks, and staying focused, you can make the most out of your shopping trip together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your time effectively. Until next time, happy shopping!